Here's the thing. Here's a thing. Here's a thing about THC. And this is gonna be long, but something happened that caused resentment in my life, and I was angry about it because I think it was right to be. I felt like I was being taken advantage of. And so I had to figure out a solution. And I found a solution, like an accountability thing, a contract, I guess, if you will. And I was like, that's it, because I've already thought about this issue. And it's a decent solution. But the angle I was coming at it from was like an angry, why would you? I mean, it's not a wrong angle. It's how I felt. Like, that's not cool. Why are you taking advantage of me? That makes me angry. And that's not wrong. But in my head, as I'm playing out the scenario of introducing and implementing the new solution, it always seemed a little too combative to me. And that's an issue for me that I have to work on. Then I smoked THC. And I come up with this new dialogue that could be played out, or monologue on my part, I guess. Monologue, see where that takes me. And the monologue in my head, the reasons for this solution in my head, my expressions were that I know this is lame, because sometimes order is lame. Like school is lame. Or like, yeah, sometimes order is lame. And so here I had the solution, which was a bit of order. And so I could express that I know this is lame. But this will also make me sane. And I think it will help. And that's all true. And the solution is the same pre and post THC. But the reasoning, the expression from it, the perspective of it, and the arguments for it are totally different. And so it almost makes it a different solution, even though it's the same solution. You're looking at it, and it's the same thing. But the post THC just seems like it's coming at an angle of maybe more compassion. And a little more insight. And certainly less attacking. And if there's anything I've heard, it's don't attack when you're trying to solve something with somebody else. So I think that's the better option, and that's the interesting thing about THC is those different states of consciousness. Like two heads are better than one, almost. It's almost in that realm. It's almost in that realm. That's all I have to say. See you next time on watching paint dry. Tyler is me friend.